Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. To all my new viewers, thank you for tuning in. And to all my returning visitors, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to be doing some false locks on my hair. First things first, I'm just moisturizing my hair with some water. I have washed my hair already, but it kind of air dried a little bit. So I just wanted to add more moisture by wetting it. And then I added some leave-in conditioner and detangling products. Now I'm detangling it with a comb and just combing it through, making sure I work those products through. Also combing my hair so that it's not so matted, and it'll be easier for me to do my next couple of steps. All right, so this is going to be the base of my false locks. These are Samba Twist by Sensational. I brought them from samsbeautyclub.com. What I plan on doing is box braiding my hair in individual sections and then crocheting each piece onto the box braid. So here I am making the boxes for the box braid. So I'm just sectioning my hair off into little squares, and then I'm going to do a 3-strand braid, and that will be the base for what I hook the Samba Twist onto. If you can't braid at all, you can twist your hair in individual sections or rubber band it off into individual sections to achieve this same look. It ain't perfect, but it is what it is. So I'm going to be attaching these. Let me get in closer so you can see. I hope that's a nice visual for you. So again, this is the one that I took out, so it's a little crazy looking, but that means it looks even better than before. So I'm going to open it, put my finger through it, you know the vibes. I'm going to get it in through the coming down. Remember, the latch hook is open. Then we're going to hook the hair on, close the latch hook, pull through, not too far through because there's no point. Open this back up, pull my hair in the twist back through, and then tighten with the knot. So now that is attached and secure, and then we're going to tuck my real hair inside. And so what I'm going to do is go up. So I open my crochet hook. I'm going to go up through the braid or through the twists. And yeah, the crochet hook pokes through, so it's really not doing too much, but it's just so we can hide it in there a little bit. So I'm going to clip the end of the hair on and close the latch and pull it through so it is hidden. And we'll do that. I'll do that 2 more times for you. Okay. So again, open it up, hook it on, open the latch hook, bring it on down, baby, bring it on down. Hook that bad boy up there. Close that mofo. Ooh. Open it up, pull both pieces through, and you're going to tighten. Hair doesn't come down that long, so I won't put my hook all the way at the bottom of the twist. Bring that heifer up. Hook it on, close, and pull through. Another one successfully done. So open, finger, open latch hook, down through the braid, hook on piece, close latch hook, pull up, move latch hook, open twist back up yet again. Take your real hair and the twist and pull them both through that whole loop. Tighten it. Tighten it. Nicely done. So open the latch hook, go up through, up through, up through, and close, oh no, close the latch hook and pull. Oh nope, I did that wrong, y'all. So what I did to make that happen is the latch hook wasn't closed, so when I tried to pull it through, it got stuck here, so it wouldn't go through the hair. So that's why it's important to make sure the latch hook is closed. So we're going to try that again. So hair is in, latch hook is closed that time, and we're pulling through. But as you can see, I messed up because it didn't go anywhere because I only pulled a piece of the hair. So it's important to get like close to the middle of the hair or wherever you could get, so that you're pulling the hair through and just not one piece of it. So I'm gonna clip closer on the braid. The only thing about clipping closer is because my hair thicker at the top, so it's harder to pull through. And then I'm gonna try to pull it through, but it's not working. So let's see how we can do this. So get closer. Can you see? I hope you can see. So clip, because these are some things you're gonna probably run into, and it's best if I show you so you can see. And I want you to think when I do my hair, it's always perfect. So yeah, now it's through. That's this piece in the way. And I'll do one more since that last one gave me some trouble. So I look like ODB, oh dirty bastard, or fucking, what's his name? Mystical. When my braids stick up like this. Alright, so back to square one. And they're gonna go down through the hook, close, boom, open, open, and pull through. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. And back, 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 back. Back through that hole. I'm gonna close it, pull down, and there you have it. That's how they look. So it's not too full for me, so I am more appreciative of this style. So I'm gonna turn off the video, finish it, come back, and then I'm gonna hit you with step 3. This is what my twist looks like after they're all in. So whole head is done. I actually decided once I finished that I wanted to extend them. So what I did to achieve this, the longer length, is I took one twist and then I untwisted it. What I did, once it was nice and once it finished untwisting it, I cut it in half, clip, boom, easy. And then I went to the bottom of the twist itself. I went to a good part to like, so if I wanted the braid to be like really, really long, I just slide it down lower. But then remember that it could slip off. And then so I just put it around the back like so. And then I started to braid. So braid. And this is how you extend your twists, or how I extended my twists to make them much longer. So just braiding it down. So I'm gonna braid it all the way down until this middle piece is gone. And then once that middle piece is gone, I'm just going to twist. So as you can see, I got a little bit more left. Keep braiding it as much as possible. So I only got a little piece left. So what I do, I'm gonna twist this, and I'm gonna take this and twist. So I'm twisting, twist, twist.
Twist, twist. And you could probably just twist it normally, but I don't know why. It's just a lot more comfortable this way with the one hand. Well, 2 hands, so I'm just like taking it, twist, and then I put my middle finger and my thumb to hold it, secure it. And I just twist it all the way down.
This is what it looks like. So this is the original one that has no extension, and this is the one that I added hair on. So that's what it looks like. I'll do that one more time for you. So with the other half that I had, I take the hair, take it, so the hair is behind, and then I'm gonna do a braid, so. And just braid that down. Twist it. I don't know why I make things look so complicated, because I tell you that the twist, the way I'm twisting, look more complicated than what I'm actually doing, but I'm literally just taking the hair and twisting it over and then pulling it. It don't have to be neat. Remember, I'm doing faux locks, but either way, the hair looks good if it's not neat. And so that is how you extend them to make it much longer. So the next part 3, I'm going to be showing how to do the wrapping method for the locks. So this is the hair that I'm going to be using to wrap the twists so they can appear to be faux locks. This is what the hair looks like. I ordered it from AliExpress. I got 8 packets of these. Unfortunately, my mail carrier lost one, so it came in this bag. And the mail people lost one, so I only have 7. But they sent me a crochet hook and some clips and rubber bands. I probably used the clips and the crochet hook, not the rubber band, but that was still a nice gesture of them. But yeah, so this is what I'm going to be using to wrap, and I'll show you what the wrap is, how I'm going to be doing that. So I'm going to take one piece of the hair and then try to open it up some at the end because it comes a little together. I'm going to leave everything else as is. Take the hair, fold it down some, so over the twist. Let me get a little closer. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start to wrap. See, the bad thing about wrapping is it takes so long. Like, I don't wrap fast, and it's easier if you have the pieces wide. So maybe what I'll do next time, since these are fairly thin, I'll pick up 2 pieces of this hair to wrap with, because as you see with my wrapping, I am nowhere down this twist yet. Like, barely got anywhere, wasting my time, it looks like. So I'm gonna try a different method on the next one and see if my results come out better or what I can do to help myself. Another thing, I don't want to wrap too tight because I don't want to lose the thickness of the lock from the twist. So I don't want to squeeze the hair too much because I do like how thick it is. Stuff, yeah, I'm not that good. So with what I'm gonna do with this next piece, I'm gonna take 2 pieces here. So yeah, I'm finessing because I did my hair in faux locks before, but I did it a while ago. So I'm gonna hold this piece down just like at the beginning. So I'm gonna take some of the hair, put it downwards from where I wrap. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wrap up first so that I'm covering what I did already, so that I know that the hair that I did is down. All right, so I did that a couple times, and I'm gonna go back down the twist. So twisting downward. So I'm just pulling the hair around. And the reason why I have 2 pieces is so I could get more coverage at one time. And yeah, looking good so far. I'm really happy because it's looking good. I wonder, maybe the next one I'll do with 3 pieces. I could be pushing it, y'all. I could be pushing it. But I'm going to try to get this done ASAP because I'm not trying to be doing my hair all damn night. Alright, so this is the finished look of the Faux Locs. I can't move them around. I didn't do my edges or lay my baby hairs however y'all want.
Put it in the bun, so I put behind, scoop it off in whichever direction. I'm gonna leave one out. Take about 3. Wrap that.
I'll show you it again with it down and just to get a woo!
I hope you like it, and I hope you get to do yours as well. Go back again. I do have some unraveling at the ends, but I like it. I think it looks more natural. And these are what the ends look like.
For tuning in.